Richie, are we really over a sunken treasure ship?
It's right under us, Gloria, and it's full of real gold.
Oh.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
Uh-oh, crash in pool.
Sorry to interrupt your treasure hunt, Master Richie, but your friend Jeff and his mother need your help immediately.
Come on. Hi, Jeff. What's so urgent?
My father's vanished. He's an officer on the aircraft carrier Bunker Hill, and we haven't heard from him in weeks.
I'll check into it right now, Jeff.
The White House, may I help you?
Richie Rich here. Is the president in?
One moment, please.
Hello, Richie. What's up?
My friend's father was on the aircraft carrier Bunker Hill, Mr. President.
I know. He vanished. It's top secret, Richie. And one of our aircraft carriers is missing.
Gloria and I are going to help search for the missing carrier, Professor Keenbean. And we could sure use some of your special gadgets.
Gadgets. My Beat the Bad Guys all-purpose gadget kit ought to come in handy. If I can remember how to open it. Oh, yes, my ballpoint invisible ray. Miraculous invention. Whoops. Oh, lucky for us, it wears off in an hour.
Thanks, Professor Keenbean. We'll use my yacht to find the missing carrier and your kid to help rescue it. Oh no! Dollar's activated the electric winch! Easy, pal. I'll straighten you out in a second. There. You're back to normal. This is the spot where the Bunker Hill was last seen.
Ooh, look! I found the Bunker Hill!
That's the carrier Gettysburg. It's probably searching for the Bunker Hill, just like we are.
Willikers, look!
Wow! Now 2 of our aircraft carriers are missing.
Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do, Richie?
We're gonna follow those Navy nappers.
Those nasty helicopters have stopped over that deserted island.
Oh my gosh! It's incredible! The island's a fake, a hollow shell. And that carrier in there is the Bunker Hill. We've got to get inside that island. Shh! I'll use the Keenbean expandable chainsaw to cut our way inside. Dollar! Oh no! Good old Dollar did it again!
Richie Rich. Ye are my prisoner and no match for who will soon control the sea, Admiral Hook. Yeah, lock him in me brig.
Oh, gosh! Oh, golly! Oh, gee! What are we gonna do, Richie? We're doomed!
We're not doomed yet. I've still got my long-range emergency beeper.
Uh-oh! Richie's in trouble! I'm coming, Richie! Go ahead, Big Mouth. Fight!
Now to cut our way out with the Keenbean laser sword.
Prepare to launch evil craft. Target for today, me buccos. Capture our super tankers bringing precious oil to America.
We've got to figure a way to stop them.
Sorry to interrupt your adventure, Master Richie, but I thought you might need a change of clothing. Jolly clever, these electric winches.
That's it! An electric winch is gonna hook the crook named Hook.
I've got a plan to stop him. If we can get to my yacht before Hook lowers his island.
Leave it to me, Richie. You want to get to your yacht? Irona will get you to your yacht. Golly! Do something, Richie! They're lowering the roof!
Hold tight. I'm switching to hydrofoils. Phew! That was close. Now all we need is a super tanker to lower Hook to us and capture him.
A super tanker? How are you gonna get a zillion-dollar super tanker?
Watch. I'll swap you even. My $50 million yacht for your $40 million super tanker.
No deal, kid.
Okay. I'll throw in this week's allowance.
$100,000. You got yourself a super tanker, kid.
Now that we've got the super bait to lure the super crook, we wait for Hook.
And here he comes. The big fish is ready to bite the big bait.
Gallons of stolen oil. Black gold. Mine. Nothing can stop Admiral Hook.
They've cut their engines. Now to take them by surprise. Super tanker, super launch on!
Hey, what's happening? Why are we going down?
Bullseye!
He'll never capture Admiral Hook, Richie Rich.
They're escaping, Richie! Do something!
Roger, and I've got just the something to stop them. And that something is Keenbean's rocket-powered scuba jets. Okay, everybody, into the drink.
Admiral Hook will never be captured by Richie Rich.
Did I hear someone mention my name?
Richie Rich!
And you, Admiral Hook, are about to end your evil career.
Make one move and I'll pull this remote lever and blow up both the carriers and their crews.
What lever?
Yeah. Every man for himself.
After them!
Ooh! A double slam dunk! Score 4 points for the good guys. Uh-oh, we're out of pocket fuel. And not a gas station for 1,000 miles.
We don't need a gas station. We need a hook to hook Hook by his hook.
Hey, where?
That was neat, Dollar.
Yeah, we got the bad guys, and you got the bad dog.
Gosh, Richie, my mom and I sure thank you for saving my dad.
Uh-oh. Trash in pool.